Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, Actually, YouTube should welcome me back, not me welcoming you people, because it's been more than a month, more than a year. I haven't posted any videos. So why am I back? Because Bitcoin is back. Yeah, everyone is seeing this golden cross over here. Everyone getting excited, but some people are also seeing this a death cross on weekly chart. Oh no. Okay, let's talk about it. So, what is happening? What has happened in Bitcoin? So, if you see the very first video of my channel, Bitcoin was around this point, somewhere around this point, when I saw this on the weekly channel, this crossover over here, and I thought that Bitcoin would uh, would go near around 20,000 and it would bounce back. But to my surprise, it went as low as 15,000, 15,500, 600 something. So yeah, that was very low. Many of my friends lost their savings. What did I lose? Mm, I lose on I lost on gains. I did not lose any of my capital. Uh, I did not sell over here. As you can see, I sold somewhere around this bounce. You see this bounce over here. I sold somewhere around 50,000. So yeah, I could have sold around 64,000, but uh, okay, fine. I sold at 50,000. I made some good profit, and then I left crypto for good for a year. And now I'm back into crypto. Why? Because I am seeing something which makes me wanna come back to this market, invest, and start gaining. What am I seeing? Okay. This everyone is seeing. Everyone is talking about it. Oh my God! Here is a golden cross over here on the daily chart, and people making YouTube videos about it. Oh my God! Last time it happened, and you can see Bitcoin went Zumba, and last time it happened, we saw a bull run. Yay! Okay, this is fine. This is okay, but what I am saying is what some people are concerned about is this over here. Will this become a cross over and become a dead cross on the weekly channel? And if that happens, um, weekly channel, that cross means finished. Bitcoin is finished for good. Okay, so what can happen here? Why why people are talking about this and said about the weekly lines? So uh, as far as long we go on the weekly chart, we cannot see a cross for this. Okay, we we just simply do not have the data for the MA200 crossing the MA50 on the weekly chart. But what do we have? We have this um, line over here where 50 is touching 200 and then bouncing back. And that happened when? It happened in 2015, October 2015. And what what is similar to 2015 and 2023? Okay, so this intersection, or we can just say this touching 200 to 50, it happened after a year long bear market. Okay, not a year, it's more than more than 2 years of a bear market. So we can say this was the good times of Bitcoin. So after that, near about $1,000 in December 30, and then it started falling. Okay, you can say the bear market probably started over here. After this bounce, we can say yeah, now this retesting was done, and it was good to say that we have entered the bear market. So January 14 was the time when Bitcoin started a bear market, and after being in the bear market for near about 2 years, not exactly near about 2 years after the January law, next year's October, and then we have this 200 touching 50. So what happened next? So for the uh, next next year, we can say it did give gains, not that it did not give gains, but what what was the good part after this happened? uh, on a larger scale and larger picture, you can see right. I can't even show you guys the magnitude of um, this thing, bounce, or the magnitude of rally it had in the couple of years from this particular October 15 part, touching 50, touching 200, and then we have this 19,000. So what type of uh, gains are we talking about? We are talking, so when this intersection happened around 250. Okay, let's consider 250. So from 250 to 19, okay, let's just consider 1900. So it just my mind just froze. I cannot calculate 19,000 divided by 250. 76. We are not talking about 76%. No, we are talking about 76 times. Yes, this is what happened last time when on a weekly chart, the 200 moving average touched the moving average of 50. So we are again here in the 23, this thing happening. So at $25,000, near about, it is at 25,000. Oh, it crossed 25. Okay, near about $25,000, and not considering 76 or 70s of that time, because US government will have to print a lot of money to make that kind of a rally in Bitcoin. But yeah, even if we can consider not 76, just 7.6. Okay, just getting 7.6 times of the current value. What do we have? We have 190, 100, 190,000. So I am an Indian, I just get confused between 100,000 and such kind of stuff. I just talk in lakh terms. It is $190,000. So a rally from here to $190,000, near about $2 lakh or $200,000 will be a huge amount of rally, is what I think. So where can we see Bitcoin? Come. I reaching somewhere around here. And that too, when I took just 10% of the gains what conditions this time are and the same conditions what happened last time, and that too was in way back 2015. And after that happened, just three months after that, we had this. So yeah, this can happen. When will it happen? We don't know. We have to wait. Wait for what? Wait for a couple of weeks to let this bounce back from here. Because if this crosses the green line, the 50 crosses the 200, then believe me, you don't want to you don't want your money in crypto if that happens. And if the opposite happens, it just touches it, you want your money in Bitcoin for a long time. So wait for a couple of weeks. It's fine. You lost to this 50,000 thing. You cannot uh, do this. It's fine. Uh, just wait some more weeks, and maybe 2 to 3 weeks. It should be fine. Then we can see the results. After that, we can at least have something after 2 to 3 weeks, and then you can start your crypto journey, or maybe remove your funds from crypto according to the results. What happens in the next 2 to 3, or maybe 4 to 5 weeks from today. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.